Hey everybody, this is Slam, and this is Slam's Tip of the Day. This is a segment that I'm going to try and do on a regular basis. Get asked a lot of questions, just being a builder, and it'd be nice to just get some videos out there, if not for me, or you the users, but also for me. That way I can just throw these videos at you if you ask these questions. But anyways, today's tip of the day. Slamius. How do I back up my favorites? I got about 50 million favorites, and I installed another fork, and I want to get those favorites. I don't want to have to add all my favorites again. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that. So navigate over to System. Now, depending on what skin you have, what build you have, this might be in a different spot. But in this case, just go over to System, click on File Manager. So now on the left-hand panel, go on down to Add Source. And I'll explain why. Now, if you have, say, an SD card or a USB stick or whatever, and you have a box that, or say a PC that has that, okay, that's what's showing up here. Oop. For some reason, by default, the internal storage is not showing up there, so we have to add it. So you click on Add Source, click Browse, and external storage. On most Androids, it's external storage, like, even though it's technically your internal storage. For me, you could put it here, or I like to put it in the download folder. Put it somewhere where it's going to be easy for you to find. Download is an easy one to find. And then click OK. You can give it a name. Download is fine. And then click OK. So now we have a source here called Download. So that's your download folder on your device. Go ahead and click on it. Now leave the left-hand side like that. Leave the download folder or your destination folder open on that side. Now you'll see there's a right-hand panel. So we want to go over to the right-hand side. Click on Profile Directory. Let me just highlight it here so that you know what I clicked on. Profile Directory. So now, if you have favorites added, this favorites.xml file is going to be there. Go ahead and click and hold, or menu select. To pull up your menu, and click copy. Do you want a copy? Of course I do. So now, look on over to your left-hand panel, and lo and behold, there's your favorites.xml. It's as simple as that, guys. You've backed up your favorites. So now, if for any reason you wipe them out by accident, there they are. They're always there unless you delete them or overwrite them. There they are. I'm going to go one step further here. Back on your right hand side, I also get this a lot, especially with the whole YouTube API thing. How do I back up my API? Or how can I put it on multiple systems, without having to type the whole damn thing? Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that. Just quickly on the left-hand side here, I'm going to go back. Now, like I said, if you have a USB stick or whatever, okay, I know Fire Sticks don't have that. Maybe they do. Maybe there's an adapter, but I don't know. But like, if you have a box or what have you where you can put an external stick on, it'll show up here. You can navigate to whatever folder you want on that and back all this stuff up. I'm going to go back to my download folder for the purpose of this tutorial. So back to the right hand side, you'll see add-on data. Go ahead and click on that. Plugin.video.youtube. Click on that. And it's conveniently labeled API keys.json. Go ahead and do the same thing. Click and hold. And click copy. Want to copy it over? Sure, why not? Lo and behold, you've backed up your API keys. So now they're backed up. As long as you don't wipe that out or overwrite it with something, it's backed up. You don't have to worry about losing it. Now what do I do? Okay, well, I'm just going to close up this particular build. I'll open up another fork that I have on my system. Just ignore my debug information at the top there. Didn't know actually that I had that enabled, otherwise I would have disabled it for the video. But it's the same thing. Go over to System and File Manager. So now on the right hand panel, so we're going to be kind of working in reverse here. So on the right hand panel, go ahead and click Add Source. Cancel. Click Browse like we did before. External storage and my download folder that I've backed up my other stuff. Click OK. Give it a name. Download is fine. And I now have my download source. As you can see, it shows up on the left hand side too, so I suppose it really don't matter what side you do it on. However, to get the copy feature, you got to be using the right hand panel. But anyways, on the right hand side here, go ahead and open up your download folder or wherever you may have your backups. And on the left hand side, we're going to open up our profile directory. Go ahead and do the same thing. Long press on your favorites.xml or menu select and click copy. Want to copy them? Yes, I do. And lo and behold, you have restored your favorites to a second build on your system, or on a different system if you backed it up to an external storage device. Now I still have the YouTube API key. So on my left hand side, I'm going to open up add-on data. I suppose it helps if I have YouTube installed. I'm just going to close up this fork. I'll open up the other one, which I know has my YouTube. So a little bit of review here. File manager. And the right hand side, I already have my source. Download. And on my left hand side, I'll go ahead and open up profile directory, add-on data, and I'll open up plugin.video.youtube. What I'm going to do is just to be safe, I'm going to go ahead and delete the one that's there already. By default, it's there even if there's no API, it's just a blank file. So press and hold or menu select, click delete. Click yes, I want to delete it. Boom, it's gone. Go back to my right hand panel where I have my backup. Press and hold or menu select, like copy. Want to copy it? Yes. Now don't click move. If you click move, it's going to actually, almost like a cut and paste, it's going to remove it from that, and we don't want to do that. Make sure you hit copy. And if you look, there it is. So that's officially restored to your system, or copied to your new system that you want your backups to. Hope this helps you guys out. Go ahead and put a comment below if you have something that you might want to add to Slam's tips. If you see something maybe that I missed, or a good tip that you might be able to offer, go ahead, put it in the comments. Please like and subscribe. Ring the bell to get notifications. Like I said, I will be at least trying to make a lot of these types of videos in order to help out the users, help out anybody who may benefit from these tips. And it's all based on, how much time I have. And yeah, so hopefully this helps you guys out. Thank you very much. Have yourselves a great day.